Today we're gonna look at the Amaran 150C. And I bought this studio light to make my studio look a little better, make it more professional, and actually I fell for it because in other video tutorials of how to set up your studio lighting, they recommended this one, so then I buy it, and I bought it. And now my honest opinion about the Amaran 150C. Is it worth the money? Is it even working? I got this light now for about a month. I couldn't find the light button. Kidding, of course. Yeah. So as you can tell, this is blue, and you can change the color here very easily to dial on this button. So if you don't have a smartphone or stupid phone or anything in between, you can also with your fingers dial this button and you can change the hue, the color. If you push it again, you can change the saturation. Now it's zero saturation, and now it's 100 saturation. And here you can change the intensity, so it can be a little softer, and you can even turn it off. Now it's green, it's green. I use it to light up my background like this. See, now it's green. And when I wanted to have another color, it's not green anymore. It's blue, it's red, and you can dial all day. But I like the blue color, so I make it bluish. Turn on saturation, intensity, and there you have it. Blue. So what's to say about this light? It's light, and it was pretty expensive for a light like this. I have to say I don't have other studio light, so this is my. No, that's not totally true. This first. How do you say that? There's a name for that kind of lighting. Put it in the comment because I forgot it. Anyway, cob light, something like that. It's not my native language, so and yes, sometimes when I miss some words, but you can put a light dome on it. Here's my umbrella. You take it off. And it's not raining. Here, you put it in like this. It's like easy. And then, of course, turn the light on like this. You see? That's how it works. Easy. But you get the picture. So here you have the CDS Link app. Then you come in this menu and you turn on this one. Gonna load. Gonna connect it via Bluetooth. Select this one. And then you have the color wheel, which you also can change the colors very easily. You can go to effect, go to party lights, cop car, and you got the fire pulsing. Yeah, you get the picture. Also just the white light, daylight, and Kelvin. So I thought daylight was like this. Anyway, that is the Cydius Link app. Very easy, but I don't use it too often. So this was my review of the Amaran 150C, the color LED cop light QB. Hope you like it. You learned something from it. If you do, please subscribe. If you didn't like the video, please subscribe and leave a comment, because it makes the channel grow and it can be a little bigger than it's right now. It's pretty small. Well, thanks for watching, and God bless.